Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to add MusicBot to Discord server so you can play music with friends easily and smoothly. Step 1. Open your Discord server and click the server name in the top left corner. Then choose Server Settings. This area lets you manage apps, bots, and permissions that control how your server works. Step 2. In the left sidebar, find the Apps section and select App Directory. This is Discord's official place to safely browse and add trusted bots to your server. Step 3. Use the search bar and type MusicBot, or search for a specific bot like GreenBot. Searching helps you quickly find bots designed for playing music in voice channels. Step 4. Click on the bot you want, then select Add App or Add to Server. This step starts the process of connecting the MusicBot to your Discord server. Step 5. Choose your server from the drop-down list, click Continue, review the permissions, and click Authorize. Completing this step allows the bot to join your server and function properly, and you may need to solve a CAPTCHA. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Discord tips and tutorials.